Let's take a closer look at some of the final moments captured by Cassini during its bold grand finale phase. As Cassini approached its final days, NASA made a daring decision: trade the spacecraft's survival for a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to get closer to Saturn than ever before. With fuel nearly gone, survival was no longer the goal. The priority became gathering every last bit of precious data. Cassini began diving through the dangerous gap between Saturn and its innermost ring, a region no spacecraft had ever entered. From this vantage point, it captured some of the most incredible sights of the entire mission. First were the shepherd moons, tiny satellites that help shape and stabilize Saturn's rings. One remarkable example is Atlas, a moon only 40 kilometers wide located near the outer edge of the A-ring. Cassini captured ultra-close images of Atlas, revealing an oddly smooth surface, virtually free of impact craters. Instead, the moon appeared to be covered in dust from the rings, forming a bizarre, disc-like shape that made it look like a flying saucer. But that wasn't the only incredible thing Cassini saw. The spacecraft also discovered tiny waves and ripples in the rings, caused by gravitational interactions with hidden moonlets. Some structures resembled propellers, created by objects disturbing the icy particles around them. This extreme close-up perspective allowed scientists to accurately measure the size of ring particles, from pebble-sized stones to ice chunks as large as trucks. Cassini's data helped determine the composition and evolution of the ring system. Meanwhile, Cassini's dust and plasma analyzers were still hard at work, collecting information on particle makeup and origin. It even confirmed a phenomenon known as ring rain, material from the rings slowly falling into Saturn's upper atmosphere, providing insight into how the rings may gradually disappear over millions of years. The spectacle was magnificent. Cassini was like a cosmic performer skating across Saturn's grand stage, capturing every icy arc before its final curtain call. In the next segment, we'll witness Cassini's last breath as it plunges into Saturn's atmosphere, sending its final signals home. It's a chapter full of emotion, science, and legacy, the unforgettable end of one of humanity's greatest space missions. Stay with Infinity Beyond, where the universe tells its story.